Hello, my name is Peter and I'll be your trainer here today. And the tool we'll be covering today is called Pages, which is a CMS tool where you can create your own custom pages on your website. Now to start creating a new page, just go under the CMS tab and select Pages right over here. And you're ready to start. Now to add a page, simply click on Add Page. And now you're ready. Now, you have to target which page that you want it to be displayed in. Your privacy settings, if you want to hide it from your menu, therefore it won't be displayed on your site in any menu. However, it will be searchable by search engines. And you also have the option to hide it from any search, any future searches from search engines. You could do it either or. You can place it in your menu and hide it from the search. But in this case, we will keep both options open. Now, in which menu do you want your additional page to be displayed? These are your specific areas where you can have it displayed, which is used vehicles, promotions, financing, service, new vehicles, or about us. Now let's say we want to create a new page in the About Us section. If I scroll down, you also have a content area. This is where you put in all your content. Now your menu label, therefore this is the label that will be showing up in your menu. I will put in, now we could add in the page title. And it will create the URL for that page. As you can see here, this is displaying your full URL for that page. Now in your body, this is where you can put in all the content of your new page. So here we have an editor, which we can put into full page. And you can start by creating your page. Now we can go get our content. Here we can add in additional links, images, or videos. In this case, I want to add a new video. So I would click on Insert a Video tab. And what we need now is the YouTube or Vimeo URL of that video. So let us go to YouTube. I already have this video available. What we need now is to share this video. So just simply go down on the bottom, click on Share, and it gives you that video. So you just copy this URL, go back to the CMS tool, paste in your video, and click on OK. Once you click on OK, it'll give you a thumbnail of the video, and then click OK. And this is how you add a video to your content. Now, if you want, you can always add in more content. And as you can see here, we're pasting in any additional images from our content. So you can prepare everything in a Word document if you wanted to. Now, let's say this is all we want to do. Now, if we want to create a link, just click on the link button. Let's say, okay, now click here to see the specifications of the Hyundai Elantra. Now all we need is a link or a URL. So let us go to your website, go under New Vehicles, and select Hyundai Elantra. Let's say this is where we want to send the client. We want to send the client on this page. So now all we need is the URL of this page. So in your address bar, simply copy the URL, go back to your CMS tool, and paste it in. And then click on OK. You can also select if you want it to open in a new page or not. Just deselect it. In this case, we don't want to open up in a new page, and just click on OK. Now our additional page is ready. If you want to use any HTML source code, simply click on the source option on top, and everything will be in HTML code. And you can create your page using any HTML code. However, Just verify your code to make sure it functions properly. Now we are ready. We'll go back to our screen, and then we are ready to publish. But before that, we can always copy our content to the French side if we have a bilingual side, or simply redo that whole page in French. Now if I scroll down, now it's time to publish. You can publish right away, or you can save as a draft, or you can publish at a later date by simply editing the publishing date and expiration date. In this case, we want to publish it right away. And all we need to do is click on publish. Now, once it's published, we get this confirmation note. The page Elantra Civic comparison was created successfully. Now we can see that we have a used vehicle, new vehicle, and now the About Us, which is our page. And we can see Elantra Civic comparison. And we can see that it's published. Now to view this on the site, just go in your site. Now to view your page, just go under the About Us option, and then you can see that your new page is now here, Hyundai Elantra versus Honda Civic. All you need to do is click on it, and then now you see your text as well as any link that you created, and we can also see the video. Just click on the video to view it. Now, this ends our training session. If you have any questions, feel free to call me. My name is Peter, and my phone number is 1-888-474-2886, extension 240. And again, I bid you all a great day.